All right, one last thing. We're going to talk about the converse of the Pythagorean theorem, okay? The Pythagorean theorem is used to find missing sides of right triangles, right? Well, what about a triangle that's not a right triangle? We don't really talk about those guys. They're like the outcasts of triangles. It's kind of embarrassing. So we want to know, is it a right triangle or is it not a right triangle? So I know which triangles to stay away from. You know what I'm saying? So these are three random sides. I choose three random sides, 6, 9, and 10. And we want to decide, first you need to decide if it's an actual triangle, and I can get into that discussion a little bit later. Some of the two smaller sides have to be bigger than the largest side. But again, another time. So let's say this is a triangle, okay? We're just going to say this is a triangle. What kind? Well, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to figure that out. Or the converse of the Pythagorean theorem, I should say. So take these numbers and plug them into your formula for the Pythagorean theorem, okay? Notice I'm not putting any sign here, equal or unequal, inequality or equality sign. I'm not putting anything here. We're going to save that for a moment. Now, remember, first thing you need to decide, which of these three sides is your hypotenuse? Because that's the one you want to plug in for C. Well, by definition, the longest side of a right triangle is the hypotenuse, so this should be the hypotenuse. Let's find that out. So this is 10 squared. All right, the other two really doesn't matter. 6 squared plus 9 squared. We plug that in now. Let's simplify using your exponents, or simplify your exponents first. 10 squared is 100. 6 squared is 36, and 9 squared is 81. It's very helpful to memorize those. 36 plus 81, that's 117, or 117. You know, that's fine. 117. Okay, now I know, notice how I kept all my C work on this side, A plus B on this side. I know that 100 is less than 117. So, by the Pythagorean converse, if the C squared portion is less than the A squared plus B squared portion, that triangle has to be acute. Alright? And it works also the same way. If this were larger than the A squared plus B squared portion, it would be obtuse. And if they were equal, they'd be a right triangle. So give that a shot, see how that works. I hope that helps. And we'll see you in a couple.